Well, hello everybody. I'm Paul, I'm the coach of the Siemens mobile team. Our customers are Asa and Rebecca, and our project leader is Stefan. And I want to hand over to Haida, who is going to tell you about our awesome switching cabinet application.
Hello everyone. Before showing our magic to you, let me explain you what's a switching cabinet. As you can see in the left-hand side, a switching cabinet is an equipment which has different functionalities, different components with different functionalities, which are drive functions, machine control, switch control, power supply, safety, and so on. And when we want to modify our switching cabinet right now, our Siemens representative collects information about that switching cabinet by taking photos, by learning the requirements from the customer, and also collecting the documents about the switching cabinet. And then the solution engineers create multiple layouts for this switching cabinet. Then the customer and the representative decides on one of those switching cabinets and apply that on the current one. The main problem here is the time inefficiency. Since the requirements from the customer can change anytime, the solution engineer can create more and more designs, and this creates a big problem. But we have solved this with Design Space. Design Space lets Siemens engineers to detect switching cabinets and the installed components inside. And with the help of the customers, they can define the functional requirements, such as analog and digital inputs and outputs. Afterwards, they can define how to optimize those switching cabinets, such as their price and their other information. Afterwards, the magic comes in. Design Space generates different layouts for this switching cabinet and visualizes them on augmented reality. Then the customer and the representative just need to select from those configurations. But how do we create those layouts? For that, we are using generative design. For that, firstly, we have our component database, which provides us to the available components in our database to put in this switching cabinet. And by combining those components, we create multiple layouts, and they are created also randomly in the first place. Afterwards, we evaluate them by their power consumption, delivery time, price, and so on. And we select best ones from them and combine them by replacing their components inside and generate a new set of components. And after multiple iterations, we select the best one from them. And right now, my friends Adrian and Rodena will show you how Design Space will help a Siemens engineer's life. Thanks.
Hello, you're the Siemens engineer, right?
That's right, I'm here to modify your switching cabinet.
Yeah, okay. This is our switching cabinet. Like we've spoke on the phone, I want to add some functionalities.
Ah, I see. What kind of functionality do you want to add?
We need more digital outputs for the switching cabinet.
Ah, okay. Let me take some photos. Do you have additional documents for it?
I believe not.
Phew. Okay, then I have to detect them all by myself. I will take them to our solutions engineer and will take around 1 hour. Yeah.
Okay, I wish you good luck. Thank you. Bye.
Later that week.
Hello.
Hi.
I hope you brought me some new layouts for the switching cabinet.
Of course. Have a look. Here we have a really cheap one. Here are power efficiencies.
Okay. Oh, no, these layouts are more expensive than I've expected, and I want to add more components here. You have to work on that.
Okay, but at least I need 1 week in addition to that.
No, you need to be a little faster.
I can try, but I cannot promise.
Oh. I should take this. You know the exit, right?
Yeah.
Okay, bye-bye.
Hey, you.
Who, me?
Yes, you.
God, is this you?
Are you tired of having so much workload?
Oh, you cannot imagine.
Do you want to fulfill the customer's need only using your phone?
This would be really wonderful.
Then the design space is the right app for you. My guys will bring it to you right now.
What the fuck? Are you an angel?
Just forget about him right now.
Okay, I have an app with switching cabinets, I think. I can load and scan somehow.
Yeah, I created design space in my spare time. Just tap on scan right now.
Okay. I think I see something.
Firstly, you need to tap on the corners of the switching cabinet so that design space can understand its dimensions.
Okay, let me finish that. Okay.
Yeah. Secondly, design space will detect the installed components. Just move your phone closer to the components and I will show you my little trick. Yes, you have detected the first one. Awesome.
Come on. Whoa, that was really fast. Can I see any information about that?
Of course, just tap on the components.
Wow, this is awesome. I will show it right away to the solutions engineer so he can approve our solutions.
You mortal fool. It's not the main function of this app. Just press the next button.
Okay, I can somehow input function requirements and optimization values. Wait, the client wants digital inputs and a real cheap one. Okay, I like this. I will show it to the solution engineer. This will improve his work.
Forget about your solutions engineer for once. I will optimize the new layouts like they have never been optimized before. To see them, tap on the DNA button and select one of the generations from there.
Okay. Ah. Oh my God.
Yes?
I've never seen such beautiful switching cabinets. How do you come up with these solutions?
I generate them according to your requirements and make them evolve according to the optimization values. The ones you see in augmented reality are the best ones.
Thank God. I will show it right away to our customer.
No problem.
Oh, are you still there?
Yes, and I have great news for you. Have a look at these
Oh, let me
great
see them.
layouts.
Wow, you're visualizing them in augmented reality? How did you achieve to manage that so fast?
It was a miracle.
Oh,
So thank you guys for the great demo. So we saw how our system works. Let's have a look at look at the design behind it. At first, we have our switching cabinet, and through scanning and recognition, our application extracts information about the switching cabinet and the components inside it. Then, the engineer inputs some functional requirements and the optimization values so that he can influence the design process. And now, this data has to be sent to our generative design engine so it can produce some solutions for us. And for that, it needs the available components from our component database. Once it produces some layouts, these layouts will be sent to the smartphone app so that they can be visualized. And in the end, our engineer can see and examine all the layouts in augmented reality. When we explain it like that, it may sound simple, but let's talk about our process, our status, and the challenges we faced during our development process. Firstly, we didn't have just one app, but two of them. The first app, AR Racing, is a proof of concept app, which is about evolving and racing creatures. And for that, we had to evaluate creatures racing on a surface the user scans in real life, and we had to evolve them. And we started our second app with using this evolution process and adapting it so that we can use it for the switching cabinets. And for that part, finding the right abstractions for the switching cabinets and customizing the evolution was the main challenge. Then we built a component database, and we successfully recognized the components inside the switching cabinet. And for this one, we tried to use AR kits, but Unfortunately, it didn't help us. And luckily, Apple released ARKit 2, which is still in beta now, but it builds the foundation of our app using the object recognition. And finally, we focused on visualizing switching cabinets in augmented reality and detecting the switching cabinet, as you've seen in the demo. And some future goals with this project could be extending our database or showing assembly instructions in augmented reality, which will enhance the user experience. And before finishing the presentation, I would like to thank our coach Paul, our project leader Stefan, and our customers Asa and Rebecca for supporting us through the journey. And I want to thank my team for being amazing, and I look forward to seeing you all in our booth to try out our apps. Thank you for your attention.
So let me thank you. This is really... Yes. Okay. So let me thank you. This has been great work. Certainly way beyond what we all thought you would have to present today just a few weeks ago. Let me stress again for everyone, this team built not just one app, but 2 apps, and we got a game out of this for free, which I actually have along too, and I'm sure you can all try out later. And this visualized little creatures racing in augmented reality. And from there was just this little step of actually engineering switching cabinets. So I'm really impressed at what you managed. When we started out, we didn't know whether this would be possible at all. You proved that it was, and yeah, thank you for this miracle.